वालेकुम एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। गाइस, आज की वीडियो में हम बात कर रहे हैं रिसेप्टर एंडिंग्स के बारे में। एन इंडिविजुअल रिसीव इम्प्रेशंस फ्रॉम आउटसाइड द वर्ल्ड एंड फ्रॉम विद इन द बॉडी बाय स्पेशल सेंसरी receptors. Sensory receptors can be classified into 5 basic functional types. Mechanoreceptors respond to mechanical deformation. Thermoreceptors respond to change in temperature. Some receptors respond to cold and others to heat. Nocieceptors respond to any stimuli that bring about damage to the tissues. Electromagnetic receptors. The rods and cones of eyes are sensitive to changes in light intensity and wavelength. Chemoreceptors. The chemoreceptors respond to chemical changes associated with taste and smell, oxygen and carbon dioxide concentrations in the blood. Anatomical types of receptors. For convenience, the sensory endings can be classified on a structural basis into non-encapsulated and encapsulated receptors. Non-encapsulated receptors. Free nerve endings. Free nerve endings are widely distributed. Now we are talking about non-encapsulated receptors. The free nerve endings. The free nerve endings are widely distributed throughout the body. They are found between the epithelial cells of the skin, the cornea, the alimentary tract, and in the connective tissues, including dermis, fascia, ligaments, joint capsules, tendon, periosteum, perichondrium, Haversian system of bone, tympanic membrane, and dental pulp. They are also present in muscle. The afferent nerve fibers from the free nerve endings are either myelinated or non-myelinated. The terminal endings are devoid of a myelin sheath as well as Schwann cells covering their tips. Most of these endings detect pain while others detect crude touch, pressure, tickle sensation, and possibly cold and hot. Now we are talking about classification and comparison of receptor types. Types of receptor. Non-encapsulated receptors. Free nerve endings. The markers. Free nerve endings. Location is epidermis, cornea, gut, dermis, ligament, joint capsule, bone, dental pulp. Stimulus is mechanoreceptors, and sensory modality is pain, fast and slow, crude, heat and cold. Adaptability is rapid. Now we are talking about the Merkel's disc. Location is hairless skin, and stimulus is mechanoreceptors, and the sensory modality is touch, and adaptability is slow. Hair follicle receptors. Hairy skin, location mechanoreceptors, stimulus, sensory modality touch, and the adaptability is rapid. Encapsulated receptor. The Meissner corpuscles, dermal papillae of skin of the palm and the sole of the foot, and stimulus is mechanoreceptor. The sensory modality is touch, and adaptability is rapid. Pacinian corpuscles. Location is dermis, ligaments, joint capsule. Stimulus is mechanoreceptors, and sensory modality is vibration, and adaptability is rapid. Ruffinizi corpuscles. Neuromuscular spindles. The skeletal muscles, mechanoreceptors, stretch muscle length, and adaptability is fast. And tendinous spindles are location is tendon, and stimulus is mechanoreceptor, and compression muscle tension is sensory modality, and adaptability is fast. Thank you so much for watching.